A pleasant afternoon, viewers and our future advocates. In a not too distant future, we stand at the precipice of technological revolution that could forever change our society. Artificial intelligence or AI has the potential to reshape our world. However, it comes with a potential danger that warrants our attention. We must pause to consider its numerous impacts in our life, especially in our generation right now. Will technology nurture our future? Or will it only damage the essence of the society or education? We advocate the cruciality of integration and utilization when using artificial intelligence.
Responsible use of AI. Using AI with transparency and proper manners can help us build a better and smarter future. Our mission is to remind everyone that as AI keeps getting more advanced, we should still be the ones who is in control, not the other way around. AI should be a tool to help people to make others' lives easier, not something that causes problems or replace human. Through this advocacy, we want to raise awareness that responsible use of AI is not just about knowing how to use it, but understanding its impact on society, on learning, and on ourselves. When we handle AI properly, we can shape a future where technology and humanity work together for the good of all.
Ensure informed consent. Before students and parents use AI platforms, they should know what kind of information is being used. It is important that everything is explained clearly and honestly, so people understand what they are agreeing to. When rules and policies are easy to understand, users can feel safe and confident about sharing their information.
Promote digital literacy. Artificial intelligence, online learning environments, and digital learning tools. These benefits come with a lot of obligations. This is why it is so important to promote digital literacy. This is the ability to recognize the limitations and risks of technologies, such as inaccurate information or an excessive dependence of artificial intelligence. It's about using our technology effectively and with critical thinking. Instead of letting AI think for us, we should learn to think with it. We can use AI responsibly by being digitally literate, which includes conducting more intelligent research, improving projects, and staying safe online. It enables to distinguish between accurate and false information.
This community-focused online campaign advances strict interconnected ethical AI priorities to counter harm and build an inclusive progress. First, it translates abstract principle into actionable public empowerment. Pre-training modules teach people to spot hidden biases, demand clear developer accountability for system outcomes, and access transparent data about how AI tools impact their lives. Second, it can address the root cause of biased AI by advocating of diverse, represent, representative data sets and mandatory collaboration between AI developers and ethicists to audit system pre-launch, and it leverage online tools, national AI bias report hotline, social media advocacy, hashtag ethical AI now, and AI bias check, the quizzes that turn to individual stories into policy pressure for strict ethical AI guidelines.
The campaign fills a critical gap by centering marginalized communities. Examples are single parents, small business owners, and teens who bear the impact of unethical AI. rather than focusing solely on technology experts. It's online framework that align in our campaign, asking why we need this campaign, because it expands reach to 10,000 plus daily website visitors, drives practical steps, and in, and it building trust by linking awareness to real world change, such as an upcoming virtual town
Ang
hall
galing
where
talaga.
the public can question AI leaders directly.
So with that, this campaign is important that helps to disempowered people, especially the students who is dealing with unfair AI harms, such as denied works or collecting students' data, and turns into big ethical rules like transparency or fairness into easy actions,
Ending.
free workshop training to
Scripting
spot
ready mo na.
AI bias, a hotline to
Bilis na.
share bad experiences, and online
Dapat
tools
tingin
to
ka sa
push
gitna.
leaders to make AI better
Abot
for
na sa
everyone.
camera. Hmm.
At the moment, let's all go forward to advocacies given. This play as key to consult and remind everyone that AI can be used as an instrument not in the form of scamming nor stealing someone's projects.
Hindi mo na scripting. AI for good, not for harm. This advocacy encourages everyone, especially developers and users, to make sure AI is created and used to benefit society, not to spread misinformation, discrimination, or harm. It promotes the development of AI that values human rights, fairness, and transparency. AI for good, not for harm, reminds us that technology should uplift humanity, not divide it. AI should be used with compassion and responsibility to improve education, healthcare, disaster, and environmental protection. We must also be cautious of its misuse, like deepfakes, bias, and privacy issues. By practicing ethical innovation, we can ensure AI becomes a force for progress, equality, and positive change. Let's use AI wisely for good, not for harm. Protect your data, be smart with AI. AI tools often collect personal data from users to function effectively. This also comes with risks, especially when people are unaware of how their information is stored or used. This advocacy aims to guide and remind everyone to protect their privacy when using AI applications by avoiding the sharing of sensitive personal details such as passwords, addresses, or financial information. We encourage every individuals to read and understand data policies before using AI platforms and to think carefully about what information they provide online. Being aware of how data is collected, processed, and shared helps prevent misuse and ensures that technology remains safe for all.
We advocate to encourage students to use AI responsibly.
Hindi.
By learning how to use AI with honesty and
Hindi, mali
transparency,
ako.
we can build a better and smarter future.
Sibilan ka.
AI technology is powerful, but if we use it in a good way, AI can help make our lives easier from studying to solving problems, but it must be used wisely. We want to remind everyone to be responsible and think how it affects to people and society. By using it properly, we can create a smarter future and full of opportunities. Think wisely, be attentive, and stop copying. Responsible AI use in education.
Human plus AI, working together responsibly by learning transparency. This advocacy is adherence of this specific advocacy highlighting how AI and human can be the best duo in every aspect of life. Using AI is not necessarily a bad thing in the fact that it can help everyone to make every creation wonderful. And human being responsible using it can be one of the best things
Ning,
that
bata
can
ning.
happen.
The AI use policy is about being responsible when using AI. Its main purpose is to show who's responsible when something goes wrong. And that's us, the users. Even if AI helped us, we're still the ones accountable for the final result. The policy also says the AI made it is not an excuse. If the info is wrong or copied, we can't just blame AI. We chose to use it, so we should take responsibility. We should always review AI results before submitting and never trust it completely. We must also follow proper ethics. AI should never be used for cheating or plagiarism. We need to follow classroom or school rules and use it wisely.
Now, this next part talks about the consequences of using AI in wrong way. When AI is misused, like for plagiarism or spreading false information, there will be academic punishment or other similar actions. That's why we need to be honest, transparent when using AI and admitting we use it shows responsibility and helps build trust with our teachers. There's also no teaching through AI. We should only use it if the teacher allows it, especially in doing homeworks or schoolworks. We must also follow teacher guidelines and not use AI in class unless it's permitted. That show respect and discipline. Lastly, AI should only assist us, not replace our work. Being originally and creative shows real learning and effort. That's how the policy reminds us to be careful and responsibility when using AI.
Pwede labas.
And now, let's proceed in the opportunities. The current opportunities we get from being responsible in using artificial intelligence, it provides a valuable opportunity for personal growth of the students. It allows the students to gain new knowledge and make good decisions in different areas. When AI is used the right way, it becomes a helpful tool that supports education. It helps students find new ways to study and review lessons. These are the opportunities that AI gives to students. It helps students learn and understand. Responsible use of AI also teaches important values. It reminds that technology should help students improve but not replace their effort. By using AI properly, we prepare for a future where people and technology work together for good change. Using AI gives more chances for students to learn and build their future. It makes sure that technology helps everyone and supports a world built on knowledge and responsibility. We invite everyone to join our team and support our advocacy. By joining, you can learn new things and share your ideas to help promote the right use of technology. Together, we can make a positive change and build a better future. Please click the Google form below to join us. Thank you.
We are each responsible for how we use AI. Use it smartly, honestly, safely, and make it a tool. Do not just totally depend on it.
Once again, I am Nadine D. Milan.
I'm Jeffrey Chamarillas. I'm Duke Benedict M.
I'm
Galindo.
Janice Rao.
I'm Christian Tiarope.
I'm Andrea Luisi Alonso.
I'm Jenica M. Galicia.
And I am Hannah Joy Luna.
I'm Jukir Julsi.
You know.
I am J. Leonis D. Vergano.
And I am Maria Cassandra C. Arcader.
Nice one, nice one. Thank you.